the power of positive affirmations. Are you aware of the fact what exactly the positive affirmations are? What these positive affirmations mean and how powerful they are? Or maybe you already know very well about them, right? But do you know the science behind the positive affirmations? Stay tuned with this video as I am going to show you how powerful are the positive affirmations and how they can change your life. Hello friends, my name is Sanjay Bhasin and I am an international success coach. If you are new to my channel, then please subscribe to this channel and also please press the bell icon so that you will never miss the notifications of such interesting and inspiring videos. So let's dive into this. All phrases, the sentences or the mantras that we repeat to ourselves so that we can achieve whatever we want in our life are positive affirmations. Let's say you want to achieve a dream job and then you say to yourself again and again, I can do this, I will get this job, nothing is impossible for me. What are these? These are positive affirmations. Now you might be thinking, how is this gonna work? How positive affirmations can actually change your life? Then let me tell you that such positive affirmations might appear unreal to you in the beginning when you just start doing this. But as you will repeat them again and again, then your subconscious mind will start believing in your affirmations and then it will slowly turn them into a reality. And this is not a magic, but a science. When you make positive affirmations again and again, then your mind becomes ready or receptive to that change that you really want in your life. And then your subconscious mind starts working on bringing that change in your life. Isn't it amazing? Various studies have proved the fact that for those people who make daily positive affirmations, it becomes easier to manifest their desires. Moreover, making affirmations in such a way can really reduce your anxiety and stress, which are no more than poisons in our life. Don't you agree? Every fourth person is depressed or stressed these days. So if by making positive affirmations you can reduce the stress, anxiety and depression, why not do it then? Another change you can bring in your life by making positive affirmations is that your way of thinking will entirely focus on positivity and nothing else. Let's take an example. When some of you think about marriage, then your mind might generate thoughts like it's a burden, no freedom, too many responsibilities, endless fights, boring life, and so on. Now, if you are thinking in such a manner, then how can you expect that everything will be fine with your marriage life? Negatives like this, how can you even blame the universe for any unexpected things? As you already know that whatever you focus on, that becomes your reality. So in such situations, you need to train your mind to focus more on positive things. And one of the best ways to do this is positive affirmations. Rather than thinking all such negative thoughts about marriage, try to look on the brighter side and say to yourself, I believe my marriage will be successful. I'll be happy with the person to whom I'll marry. I have the power to control and tackle all the fights that will happen between both of us. It will be a privilege for me to share my life with someone very special. I can actually make our marriage life adventurous and wonderful. So all such positive affirmations will provide you with daily positivity that you might have lost somewhere. You can achieve anything you desire, such as more money, good health, great relationships, losing weight, building muscles, just by making positive affirmations. Yes, of course, you have to do work also, you have to go to gym also. Do you want to do it now? If so, let's discuss how you can use affirmations in your life very effectively. First of all, be clear about what you want in your life. Then set a specific and dedicated time to make positive affirmations every day. Make a habit. Just by saying them while you are rushing to your office will not work at all. Once you are ready, then breathe in and breathe out deeply with the count of 10 in reversing order, like 10, 9, 8, 7. And then say your affirmations slowly with true feelings. Make sure there are no negative words like can't, don't, I can't do that, or this is not possible, like that. And repeat your affirmations 3 to 5 times at one time in a day. While repeating, you have to feel each word and you have to mean it. You can repeat this practice 3 times a day, and then each time you will repeat your affirmations 3 to 5 times. You need to end the affirmations in a way to allow your body and your mind to grasp that positive energy. Let me give you some examples of positive affirmations here. You can say like this: I am happy and ready to receive money. I am ready to let go of all the negativity in my life. I am attracting my dream job. I am attracting my soulmate. I am worthy. My life is full of love and joy. My office is full of love and peace. I am radiating success. I love myself. I respect myself. Every experience I am getting is good for my growth. I am doing my best. I can do it. It's possible. So I can lose weight. I can be slim. I can build muscles. I can build strength. I am powerful. I am loving. So these are so many examples, and you can also create as per your desires. Feeling quite positive? Right. So try such positive affirmations on yourself and share your experience in the comment box. If you like this video, then please give a thumbs up to this. Thank you very much for your time.